All right, let's unbox this, see what's inside. All right, so anyway, this is your plug. This is your charging port plug. That goes into the 110. Oh, here. Oh, look at that. That is the basket. Wow, it's huge. It's bigger than all the other ones. And yeah, that's the interior of it. Looks pretty cool. And it's heavy too, man. This is not light. Again, this comes out. You see that? And I don't see the charging port there. Oh, I think it's right here. I think this is our port. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so that's where we charge it. So we got to charge it, right? So I'm going to leave that undone. And I've got a plug over here, so we'll just go ahead and plug it in. All right, so I think the best way for you to pick it up is to come like this on both sides and lift it, just like that. So I'm holding it here, and I'm holding it here. So that's kind of like the best way. So I'm gonna just set it down here. We're gonna grab our plug like that, put it on the leg. And right here is the plug. Now, if you notice, it's got a small and a large box. So the small goes to the left. And you just gotta plug it in, right like that. Just make sure you get it all the way in there. You may have to grab the front of it to do that. All right, so now we've got lots of room. Okay, and now we can just go ahead and plug that into the wall. All right, so we just gotta plug it in, right? There we go. All right, and then if you look, you can see right here's the battery. And it's got a little charge in it, but we want to charge it all the way up before we try it out. So we're gonna let that thing just charge up, and then we'll take it and put it in the pool and see what we think.